Chapter 2, Fundamentals, Part 3. Declaring methods that takes arguments. Methods can do much more. Let's upgrade the getReady method so it can do more. We're going to upgrade the method so that we can set the alarm time and the event that Jane is getting ready for. So instead of simply saying good morning, we can say good morning, it's 10 a.m. Also, instead of saying have fun at school, we can replace the school with other events. So Ada may say things like have fun at the party, have fun at the game, have fun at the movies. When we call the method, it won't be an empty method call. It'll pass arguments to the method getReady. And the method call will look something like this. GetReady, open paren 9, comma, the game, close paren, semicolon. This would have Ada say, good morning, it's 9, and have fun at the game. In the parentheses, put the variable type and name that the parameters sent will take on. 9 will be stored to a variable hour, which is an integer type, and the game is going to be assigned to string variable event. Now that we have names for these variables that are passed on, let's use them. Instead of good morning, let's put good morning plus variable hour plus an exclamation mark. The plus sign attaches strings together. For the last print line, let's put have fun at plus variable event. Let's try calling this. In the main method, change the getReady call so that it passes on values 9 and the game. Replace the old method with a new one. Let's see how this works. Run.